So hi, I'm going to share with you a story that I have. It's about how I saved 25% to 35% off on a load of propane fuel that was delivered to my house. This story works for me, and so this is my story. Hope it can work for you. We have a large tank out back of our house that holds about 250 gallons of propane fuel. I was getting low, so I decided to call my company and order a whole fill up. And so a few days later, the company came and delivered 140 gallons of propane gas. And by the way, that's not the picture of my tanker that came. My bill came $3 a gallon or $471 on just like 130 gallons. This seemed very high to me, so I thought I'd call a few other companies and compare pricing. And I did so. In fact, I called two other companies. One company would sell it for $2 a gallon anytime during the year, much less than the $3 I was paying. Another company would sell it for $2.08 a gallon. Again, that's much lower, about 33% lower than the company I dealt with. So I called my company with my new quotes to challenge the price. And I did so. I talked to the sales rep. I was very nice to her, very cordial to the lady on the phone, because she didn't set the price. She just tells what's going on. I challenged the propane price of $3 a gallon, and she quickly said she would call her district manager to try to get a lower price for me. I had also talked about switching companies, and I had dealt with this company for over 15 years, and they did not want to lose my business. So in 15 minutes, she called back with a new pricing after discussing it with the district manager and instantly offered me the following price: $2.59 a gallon on the current invoice and $2.29 a gallon for the rest of the year if I did not switch companies. I thought that was actually getting pretty good. So I saved 41 cents a gallon immediately, and then that's about 14% of the total on my invoice. So on my current invoice, I just saved $56. That's a pretty good half a day work. It's like buying 2 tanks of gas for my car, at least I thought. Anyway, that's also like saving 24% of my expense for the rest of the year if propane remained at $3 a gallon. So my negotiations, my approach, the quotes I had worked, and you could do the same thing. I told the lady thank you about 4 times. I accepted their offer of a lower gas amount then also during the year I would buy it for $2.29. And again, that seemed better. This is my story to you. This is how I lowered my bill. Be nice to the person, state your case, give reasons why it should be lowered. Be kind but negotiate, and use your leverage all you can, but be nice to them. Listen, try it. I wish you the best. It doesn't hurt to make a phone call, because that one phone call saved me $56 and probably another $100 during the year. If you're retired and on Social Security, that does come in handy. All pictures were from Wikimedia Commons, Wikimedia, and they're a public domain photography source. All pictures presented are photographs from that website. Please subscribe to my channel, Dr. Stewart Productions. Share this short presentation with someone who might find it useful, and you can do the same thing. Negotiate. That's the important issue.